For the Bell, U.S. indices were slightly positive on Thursday, led by shares in materials, transportation, and semiconductor equipment sectors. Now, on the economic data front, jobless claims climbing by 8,000 to 285,000 in the week ended January 30th. And advancers, they are ahead of the decliners as 63% of SP 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the market closed, News Corp reporting second quarter EPS of 20 cents with sales of $2.16 billion. That's down from $2.26 billion the previous year. Symantec reporting third quarter EPS of 26 cents with declining revenue of $909 million from $1.6 billion. And LinkedIn reporting fourth quarter EPS of 94 cents with sales of $862 million, up from $643 million the previous year. Now, the company, which reorganized its sales force and bought education website lynda.com for $1.5 billion last year, is seeking to diversify its suite of services to counter slowing growth in users, subscriptions, as well as advertisers. Now, turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 1.32%, the Hang Seng up 0.55%, and South Korea's Kospi closing on the upside 0.08%. European markets are flat to higher, and U.S. futures calling for a slightly positive start. Now, on today's economic docket, 8:30 in the morning sees December trade balance figures, as well as the change in non-farm payrolls for the month of January and the unemployment rate. And in the afternoon, we conclude with December consumer credit. Now, in the overall markets, we have the SP 500 currently seeing a bullish bias. The relative strength index for the S&P is mixed to bullish, preferring long positions above 1885 with targets at 1926 and 1940 in extension. The Nasdaq seeing a bullish bias, preferring long positions above 4089, and the Dow Jones seeing some choppy trade, therefore preferring long positions above 16,110.